An activity log alert monitors a resource by checking the activity logs for a new activity log event that matches the defined conditions. You may want to use activity log alerts for these types of scenarios. When a specific operation occurs on resources in a specific resource group or subscription. For example, you may want to be notified when any virtual machine in a production resource group is deleted, or any new roles are assigned to a user in your subscription, or a service health event occurs. Service health events include notifications of incidents and maintenance events that apply to resources in your subscription. Another important scenario would be when a security solution within your environment is deleted. Really, this comes down to change control. You would want to be notified. So create an activity log alert for the delete security solution event. Monitoring for delete security solution events gives insight into changes to the active security solutions and may reduce the time it takes to detect suspicious activity. If you need guidance on Azure Security, connect with one of our subject matter experts and we'll be happy to help you.